Hi folks, and welcome to another Ugly Dog Challenge. So today, it's the Michael challenge. He said, I'm going to stump your old butt. So he chose Mossy Meadow, which is a folk art paint, and it's a kind of green. Perisian Pink, which is an enamel, and it's a folk art paint, and an apple barrel gloss black. What in the heck are we going to do with this, folks? Well, the Ugly Dog has a plan. So, Michael, you didn't stump nobody, buddy. So we're going to start with our black, folks. Get our black in here and get it all mixed up pretty. I don't need 2 cups there. Don't need a whole lot of that black, folks, for what we're going to do here. So let's get it thinned out, get it ready to spray. So we got it all mixed up and we did the finger test on it. It's running nice. So we're going to start when we're going to start blowing some black on this lure. Today I've selected a spitting popper, a topwater lure for this paint. So you know what, let's just dive in it feet first. Get it done. We're going to be running about 35 pounds of pressure. Now I'm going to cut that back because I've been priming lures all morning. So now we're back down around 17 pounds. That's probably all the black we're going to need, folks. We don't need a whole lot of it on this bait. I'm just going to fade that right down that side just a little bit. Now we'll heat set that and we'll move on to the next color. So while that's drying up good, I'm going to get our next color mixed for this thing, which is going to be our Mossy Meadows. We'll let that food dry there. We'll probably do multiple coats of this color, folks. Old finger test, it's running nice. Okay, folks, let's go to our next step in this challenge, which is going to be a wrap. We're going to wrap it with this. Let's get her all wrapped up nice and tight here, and we'll go from there. What people get for thinking they can stump old people. He tried. But he didn't quite get me stumped yet. Cool. Looking nice there. So we got her all wrapped up here, and I really want that separation in that head anyway. So let's see if we can pull that tail just a little bit tighter. There. Oh yeah, this is going to be a pretty interesting little bait. Now we just got to figure out how to add the pink in there. But as usual, I got a plan. Okay, let's get our pink and do another drip test on it, because it, or green, sorry folks, got pink on my mind. And I'll do another drip test, and it's still running very good. Sometimes if it sits there a minute, it'll thicken up a little bit, but it's fine. And let's start running some green on this bad boy. Now we're going to leave the belly on this bait white. That does look pretty cool already, folks. So let's heat set that right quick. Cool. That's my gator bait. That looks awesome, folks. I don't know if y'all can see that real good. It's gonna be an awesome bait when it's all finished up. So let's clean our brush while this is drying really good and figure out what we're gonna do with this Perisian Pink.
Put it in its mouth. Is that what you were going to do?
Yes.
I guessed.
Damn women. Crazy in the heads. Perisian Pink, folks. Perisian Pink. What brush do I want to use on that? I think I want to use this one right here. I think. Okay, so we're going to let that dry for a few minutes.
Show it.
Pink mouth. So Mikey boy, you didn't stump the old man. Try again. Like you thought you was going to do. You don't mess with senior citizens. We've been there and done that, son. Okay folks, we got this lure all dried up nice and we're back. We're going to put the watermark on it, the eyes on it, we're going to epoxy it. Good morning folks. How y'all today? Well, we got the Mikey challenge all finished up. He thought he was going to stump me, but he didn't. He picked olive green, black, and pink. So this is what I came up with for Mikey. This is his lure. And it's got black glitter in it, and this is a spitting frog. It's got a dressed tail hook on it, and there's his pink, right in the mouth. So this was a pretty fun little challenge to do. I enjoyed it. Remember folks, if you want to challenge me, just put it in the comments below, and I'll just see what I can come up with. So folks, remember that if you want to see a complete bunch of pictures of all the lures that I have, you can find them on Facebook or you can find a lot of them on UglyDogLures.com. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Y'all have a blessed day, and I'll catch you later.